Welcome to this NaxToView tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the complete results visualization workflow using contour plots, vector plots, tensor plots, and scalar bars. We'll also see how to customize result displays and manage multiple visualization windows efficiently. Let's get started. The Results toolbar contains all the tools required to visualize and analyze simulation results. At the top, the load case selector allows us to switch between the different load cases associated with the model. Right next to it, the increment selector provides access to the available analysis increments or solution steps. One of the key features of NaxToView is the ability to display multiple result windows simultaneously. Each plot window works independently, meaning that results, components, coordinate systems, and display settings can all be configured separately for each visualization. The contour plot is used to display scalar results directly on the model geometry using color contours. This type of visualization is commonly used for stresses, strains, displacements, temperatures, and other scalar quantities. Within the Result Options section, we can select the result type we want to display. For example, we may visualize stresses, displacement, or other values. Individual components such as X, Y, Z, among others, can also be selected independently. The Sections option allows us to control which section, or range of sections, is included in the contour representation. The domain settings define where the contour plot is applied. Results can be displayed over all visible elements, selected elements only, displayed elements or specific user-defined element sets. The @Grid Position option is especially useful when results are calculated at integration points and need to be extrapolated to nodal positions for display. In the Averages section, we can choose how multiple values are combined within each element, using maximum, minimum, average, extreme, or difference values. Results may also be represented in different coordinate systems. Depending on the analysis, we can choose between the global coordinate system, local element systems, or custom user-defined systems. When working with complex results, additional options become available. Results can be displayed using either polar representation with magnitude and phase, or Cartesian representation using real and imaginary components. Once the desired configuration is ready, the Plot and Save feature allows the result state to be stored for later reuse. Save plots automatically appear inside the session tree under the active view and window. At any time, stored plots can be reactivated exactly as they were originally configured or removed directly from the session tree. The Vector Plot window is designed to display vector quantities using arrows. Typical applications include displacement vectors, forces, velocities, or rotational results. The result field defines which vector quantity is displayed. The Elements domain controls where vectors are drawn within the model. When the Eyes rotation option is enabled, vector components are interpreted as rotational values instead of translational displacements. Additional display options allow vectors to be colored according to their magnitude and labeled directly with their numerical values. Individual X, Y, and Z components can be displayed separately or combined into a resultant magnitude representation. Several scaling modes are available. Automatic scaling adjusts vector size dynamically, while manual scaling provides full control over the displayed length of the vectors. Geometric settings control the appearance of the vectors, including arrowhead style, origin point, and rendering resolution. Higher resolution values improve visual quality but may affect rendering performance. Filters can also be applied to display only vectors within a specific value range. The coordinate system selects the reference system for vector representation. The tensor plot is used to visualize tensor quantities such as stresses and strains. Unlike scalar or vector plots, tensor plots display both axial and shear components simultaneously. Each tensor component can be activated independently. Axial components such as XX, YY, and ZZ, together with shear components like XY, YZ, and ZX, can all be customized individually. Different colors may also be assigned to each component for improved readability. Tensor size can be adjusted automatically or controlled manually through scaling factors. Just like vector plots, filters can be used to limit the display to tensors within a selected value interval. Each plot window in NaxToView includes its own independent scalar bar configuration. This allows contour, vector, and tensor plots to use completely different visual styles and value ranges simultaneously. The scalar bar has been redesigned to provide a more interactive workflow directly inside the 3D viewport. Values can be edited directly by double-clicking on the scale labels, while colors can be modified interactively using the integrated color picker. This allows quick visual adjustments without opening additional configuration windows. The Scalar Bar Options window provides complete control over the legend appearance, position, font style, numeric precision, color themes, and value ranges can all be customized. Legend colors may also be inverted to improve result readability depending on the selected visualization. For results spanning several orders of magnitude, logarithmic interpolation can be enabled. This improves visibility in lower value ranges while maintaining the overall distribution of the results. Scalar bar configurations can be exported and saved as XML files for future reuse. Existing configurations may also be imported at any time, allowing consistent visualization styles across multiple projects. The Clear Plot tool removes the currently active result visualization from the 3D viewport while keeping the rest of the session unchanged. This concludes our overview of the results visualization tools available in NaxToView. With contour, vector, and tensor plots, together with advanced legend, NaxToView provides a powerful and flexible environment for post-processing and simulation analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.